This is a 2009 Nissan Altima. It has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a glass moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and a multi-link rear suspension. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, a rear window defroster, a security system, 12-volt power outlets, rear impact crumple zones, halogen headlights, an anti-lock braking system, a push-button ignition, and this vehicle has fewer than 43,000 miles on the odometer. This Nissan has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Lexus of Nashville South Cool Springs is located at 1636 Westgate Circle in Brentwood. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.